Mom, where are you?
तो शर्मा आंटी ने ना सोना बेल्ट लिया है तो मैंने सोचा
Mom, अभी घर वापस. Lockdown has taught me something. Life has come full circle for all of us. पहले माँ बाप हमें डिसिप्लिन करते थे, डांट के कोस के संभालते थे. अब हमारी बारी. I feel like all of us kids have become their guardians, like full 360-degree role reversal.
मास्क तो पहना था ना मैंने.
हाथ धो लो और मास्क वहीं छोड़ दो. Now that the crisis has been averted, let's open the innings. Hey guys, Shreya signing in from the Vlogger's Verse. No marks for guessing that I am your friendly neighborhood vlogger. This is Upgrad Career Campus, a series where I can show you glimpses of the future. Basically, मैं आपको virtual tour कराऊंगी अलग-अलग New Age learning campuses के, और as I say it, New Age Career Campus. Today, we will be discussing G.H. Raisoni Institute of Business Management, Jalgaon's 3-year BCA program powered by Upgrad, or as I call it, the 360-degree futuristic course. Because this 3 years BCA program has 2 specializations, one in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and another in full stack development. You guys know the stories of Jeff, Larry Page, and Mark, who started with almost nothing. In 20 years, their firms are the biggest in the world. With the meteoric rise of these tech and e-commerce behemoths, big data market is the next big thing. In 2019, Gartner reported that the demand for artificial intelligence application has risen by 270%. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and full stack development related jobs have risen in demand by 344% between 2015 and 2019 itself. G.H. Raisoni Institute of Business Management, Jalgaon's 3-year BCA program powered by Upgrad will become your way to reach the rising demand for data-driven roles and professionals. All you have to do is take a pick. So what does the course offer you? Cutting-edge future-ready tech in diverse areas of computer applications like foundation of programming, Python for machine learning, big data analysis, and much more. Learning is no good unless you try it out. Practical approach to learning. With a ready stage for you to try out your skills, you master technical and professional skills faster. Both the courses help you get on track with the latest computing trends along with the basics of computer science. It also helps you connect the gap between the academia and the industry. Never go wrong with the basics. But learning needs to be fun. Also customized. That's why you have... When you are ready for the big game, with a short placement assistance, Upgrad makes sure that you have upgraded for the future. They train you in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With more than 100 hours of placement preparation and expert technical guidance, you get into the real world like you were born ready. This course also helps you build your squad by helping you network, collaborate, and learn together with your batchmates. Moreover, you become a part of the massive 10,000 plus Upgrad alumni base. When it comes to the future job roles, worry not. This course has you covered. According to the market demands and predictions, the right job profile will choose you. So how do you board the ship into the future? You need your 12th board certificate or a BT recognized 3-year diploma certificate. That's it.
मुझे क्रूज पे लेके जाना मेरी बकेट लिस्ट में कब से है तुझे पता है?
Mom, हंसाओ मत यार. Hope this virtual tour helps you decide. Mom, what are you doing?
अरे VR कैमरा लिया है नूतन ने, कैसे लगता है देख रही हूँ.
Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's hear them. And to know more about this course, click on the link in the description below. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel. And if this video showed you a flash of the future, then hit like and share. This is your virtual career campus guide Shreya, the stacking expert, signing off. Bye!